I am going to discuss about guard statement in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about guard statement in Swift. What is guard statement? A guard statement used to transfer program control out of scope. Transfer program control out of scope if one or more condition are not met. If one or more condition are not met, and guard statement is a early exist. The generally is a used to with function. The guard statement is generally used with function. So consider which can create a function func check even and odd number, even odd numbers, can create a function no return type. So let n equal to is 4, and which is a number, and which is a variable. Suppose is a number, suppose which and var number is equal to 4. Assign the value of. So we can use guard statement guard. So number modulus 2, number modulus 2 equal to 0. Else say print, we can use print odd number, and we can return statement. Otherwise true statement, otherwise condition is true, number modulus 2 equal to 0. This is a print. We can use print statement is even number, we can use. So guard statement is, what is guard statement? A guard statement used to control program control out of used to transfer program control out of a scope if one or more condition are not met. Otherwise condition is true. So otherwise true statement execute, otherwise false is return execute of one statement is written. And we can use, we are going to create a call of function check even and odd number. We can run. So this is the even number. This is 2 modulus equal to 0. Suppose we have changed this value of 3. We can run is odd number. 3 is odd number. 2 modulus 3 not modulus. So we can use a odd number. So we can use check and even and odd numbers. We can use guard statement. Guard statement used to transfer program control out of a scope if one or more condition are not met. This condition is false, otherwise return statement not execute of true statement we can use. And guard statement is a early exist statement, and we can use a function, inner function guard statement. The guard statement is generally used with a function. Thank you for watching this video. We can create a guard statement.